Hello everyone, hope all of you doing good. In this video, I will try to explain about one of our service which is especially designed for restaurant owners basically to manage their menus, tables, employees, catalog, and items, all this stuff. Basically, you will receive an email ID along with password once you contact us. Let me jump in quickly to show you the dashboard and what are the other options available to manage from their admin dashboard as a owner. So I have a dummy account with me. Let me try to log in once. So initially you will be landed here once you log into your account with these credentials, whatever we shared. And let us go with the options, whatever we have. If you see the left side panel, right? In the left side panel, we can able to see a lot of other options available along with our dashboard, right? So let me go to settings button. So here with the information whatever you shared, right? Earlier, initially we will create the basic information. We will fill the basic information. Okay, you can change it. I mean, you can add your, as a owner you can add your photo, or else you can keep your restaurant photo and your name, last name, and email address, and contact number, and your restaurant name, and the GST applicable, and whatever if you are doing the deliveries, right, to the outside, to the homes. So home deliveries are if you are offering, then you can select the price, whatever the feasible price you are having. As a owner, you can decide the delivery fees, and you can have it in the dashboard and the restaurant logo, and we can save these changes. Okay. As of now, I didn't update it in modifying anything, so that's why the details will be as it is. Next, quickly jump into the other options available here. Theme selector is there, right? So here we have four kind of themes available. Yeah, we recommend to test all these options, like four themes, whatever feasible to you, or I mean, look and feel will change, right? So yeah, thoroughly test them, and then whatever suitable to you, you can opt for the respective theme. Okay. And then other options, let me go to the other option. This is a manage food, right? So here in the third tab we have manage food. Here, if you can able to see, we have three tabs available: category, subcategory, and food items. So these are all interlinked to each other. Okay, which means if we have one category, for example breakfast as a category, I mean, as an example I'm showing. Okay. So breakfast as a category, inside a breakfast we will be having subcategories. I mean, a lot of other breakfast means like idli, dosa, vada, something will be there, right? So whatever the breakfast according to your wish, you have the categories, subcategories, and inside a subcategories we need to place the food items, right? So let me show you. For example, here already three categories available, right? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So let me try to add one more category. I mean, earlier dashboard, initial dashboard, you want to be able to see any categories, you need to add them. Since I already added into my demo account, these are all the options we can able to see. But let me show you as an example how we can add a category and subcategories. Okay. So let me add a category as snacks. Make it active. Okay, if the timing is suitable, I mean, for example, snacks means like evening time, basically we will having snacks, right? So yeah, according to the timings, we can activate and deactivate from the menu. Okay. Here I am just uh, here I just typed as description. But yeah, whatever the description you want to give, yeah, you can give as it is, according to your requirement. And snacks can be, yeah, you can have anything, like if you have anything in your menu, or if your logo is available for snacks, you can add it as a snack item and try to add it. See, now one more category has created here. Okay, this is whatever I am showing you, this is your admin panel and as a restaurant owner, right? So in this way you can able to add multiple categories. I mean n number of categories, whatever, how many categories you want, you can decide and you can add the categories. Okay, let me go to the subcategory section. So now here we have the subcategories, right? Sandwich, biryani, rotis, and the idli. Something is there. Okay. So let me try to create one more subcategory which will fall under. Just now we created that snacks as a category, right? So inside the snacks maybe, um, and which will fall under snacks, right? I mean we are offering it as a snack, right? Snack item. So like that, I mean whatever the category we have, we need to add it under a sub. I mean whatever the subcategory we have, we need to add under a category basically. Okay. So here we are trying to add a new subcategory, right? So we need to define it will fall under which category. For example, chicken fry we are serving as a snack item. For example, let us assume. Okay, that's why I am adding it as a snack item. Okay, or else we can do one more thing as well. For example, let us divide our categories into two parts. Okay, one is veg, let it active. So these are all the snack items. Here, if you see, right, the subcategory which will fall under snacks. Okay, I mean this is a category, right? Snacks is a category. So inside of it we have veg as a subcategory. Okay, veg snacks. Okay, and then maybe you can have one more non-veg snacks. Okay, and make it active and description, and which will fall under snacks. This is also right. So in this way, non-veg snacks and veg snacks. Okay. So in the dashboard itself, you can able to see, okay, non-veg snacks, which will fall under snacks category, like that. So in your mind, if you have any other plans, like how to divide, how to decide, like what will be the category and what can be the subcategories, accordingly you can create. And this is as a demo purpose. I am just showing you how it will work. Okay. And coming to the items, right, food items. So here whatever the items we have as offering to the customers, right, all these options we can add here. Okay, let us go to that, add a food item. And so here we are trying to add snacks, right? So maybe just show, let me, what are the options available to keep it here. Okay. Okay, salad. Okay, veg salad, masala dosa. spring rolls. Okay, yeah, these are all the other items available. So salad. So salad is the one of the item we are offering them as a one of the item, right? I mean, which will fall. I mean, which will fall under any one of the category. So here you can define whatever the price, how much price we are selling that with we are offering them, right? Discount. For example, and if you have any occasions, right? For example, any festival season, something it is there, then you can offer them how much percentage, 5% discount or 2% discount. That option, it is an optional. Okay, if you can keep it zero as I mean keep it empty, leave it as it is, that will also it won't harm anything. Okay, and then we need to here select category, right? First of all we need to decide we are offering salad as a category, snacks category, or dinner or breakfast. Then accordingly we need to choose that option. For example, let me add it as a snack category, and which will fall under veg snacks, right? So let me select this one and go to that logo, and you know, let me check salad is available. Yeah, see, veg salad. I'm keeping my logo for veg salad. See, if you see here, right, it is active one because maybe this is evening time. Maybe somebody will come. Right? Otherwise, we can make it deactivate if it is not the correct time for snacks time, right? Then we can make it deactivate whenever the time like snacks time came, right? 4 o'clock or 3:30, something like that. If people are coming for taking their snacks, then we can make it active. Okay, and the discount what I mean, initially we kept prices 60 rupees and 5% discount. Whatever the discount it is available, it will show, it display accordingly. Okay, the backend code it will take care. Add one more item. Let me see whatever the options available to me. Chicken spring rolls, for example, samosa maybe. Okay, samosa. So make it active. Hot and spicy. Okay, something like that. Whatever the description you are feasible. 25. Let's make it 25. And discount if you have anything, 2% discount, something like that you can give, or else leave it blank if you are not offering any discount price. And yeah, let me select the category, and which will fall under veg, right? So in this way, we need to first add categories and subcategories and food items. So food items will be belong to any one of the subcategory, and all the subcategories belong to any one of the category. In this way it will work. So this is the manage food option. So whatever the you are adding, whatever the items you are adding, or whatever the categories or subcategories you are adding right here, so those will be displayed to the customer once they scan your QR code, right? Those items. For example, here, if I refresh my screen, right? So the dashboard to the customers end users will be displayed like this. So breakfast we have these two. These are all the items we have, and lunch. Yeah, this is the item. I mean, whatever I have added only one item. Going forward, yeah, as a owner, once you receive the credentials and add the items, whatever according to your requirement. Okay. See, right. For example, just now I have added salad and samosa. Okay. So customers can add into their cart and make the payment. Okay. Let me quickly jump into our main admin dashboard as a owner. And yeah, here one more section called manage tables. If you see here, four tables are visible, right? One is reserved and one is available, one is not available, one is another one is also available. So here if you add table, right, I mean, for example, table number 14, capacity 6 members they can sit, or else 8 members they can sit, whatever the capacity of the table. And the location you need to decide, I mean, you need to give the correct location, like for example, extreme right corner, and if it is available or it is reserved or it is in maintenance mode, accordingly you need to, I mean, you need to verify, and accordingly you need to select this option. For example, let us make it available. And what is the description? Maybe it is at window side. Somebody may like window seats, right? I mean, beside the window they can able to see the outside world and while eating, right? Something like that we can give the description. And if anything like in a table, if you want to remove from the menu, yeah, you can easily, by clicking on the delete button, you can easily remove the table. Okay, in this way we can, I mean, here also we can see like all the status. For example, available, I want to see what are the tables available currently, so that you can click on available section here. Oh, three tables are available for me as of now. And I want to see what are the reserved seats as of now, zero. And what are in maintenance, yeah, this is unavailable, this table, because it is under maintenance. Like maintenance means like they are cleaning, staff is cleaning that table. As of now that is not available, they can choose, customers can choose other table. Once cleaning got completed, we can make it activate by just clicking here and make it available. So in this way, we can manage the tables inside our restaurant and manage food. You see already categories, how we can add, how we can decide and add categories, subcategories. And this is especially according to your wish. Okay, I just showed these examples. Basically, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks are the common items, right? But as a owner you have different thoughts, right? So accordingly you can add your categories and subcategories and food items. Okay, and going to the employees section, right? Here you can add a number of employees, I mean how many staff we have, right? So basically here it will ask us, once you are trying to add a waiter. For example, his name is let us assume his name is Ramya. One of the staff name is Ramya. Okay. Give him any one of the number, and the number of years of experience, maybe 6 years. From 6 years she is working in your restaurant, maybe, or else 2 years, something, whatever the experience she have, you can keep it. And shift, right? Morning shift, evening shift, or night shift, something like that, yeah, maybe morning shift. And monthly salary, and her password, because she is also having her dashboard. I mean, by this you are logging as a owner, right? But waiters also can log in with their username and password. This is the user, I mean, this can be the username, whatever the email id, and whatever the password you you can create as a owner, and you can share with them. So that the waiters also can able to log in and check what are the what are the tables available, and if it is a delivery is in progress, like that they can also verify. And as a owner you also can able to see what are the, I mean, the staff, right? Or for example, morning shift, who are from morning shift, Raghu and Rupa here. Okay, or else who are there working for evening shift. Here I am added only one people as a evening time, so here it is displaying one person. Who are all the night shift persons, like this, a number of people you can try to add, whatever the staff strength, right? And we can make them, for example, somebody is on leave, so maybe you can activate and deactivate them. For example, one of the employee is in the night shift, so in the morning shift they want to be visible in the morning shift, right? For example, if he kept leave, right, so we can make them inactive. One of the user here also he will get, right, activate and inactivate. So he is on leave, right, today. So we will make them inactive so that it won't display here in the dashboard, right? In this way, I mean here real time. If you see in the real time, orders today option will be with which is having some value here. This is a demo account, right? So you cannot. I mean, we are not able to see any kind of information here. Okay, and coming to the other section here. Here is your link, and yeah, these are all. You can customize your QR code. Okay, you can generate your QR code inside your dashboard itself. Okay, and you can customize accordingly. If you want rounded corners, some other options are available, right? So accordingly you can decide, and you can share with this, I mean, this link to the customer. Okay, or else if they scan, right, this they will redirect to the this dashboard, whatever the dashboard you have, right? All the items, this dashboard they will have it. So apart from QR menu link, this is the payment. Okay, I mean, upload your QR code here and or UPI ID here and make it active and save changes. In this way, I mean, coupons, right? Here, create a coupon. For example, if you have, if you want to give any discount as a special occasion, you can add as a coupon and generate the coupon code and how much percentage you want to do. Okay, in this way we can maximum discount amount. These are all these are, I mean, you can just try it out with the options. This is how it will work actually.